Hey guys! Super late upload na to pero we're here at Primax Self Photo Studio, ang first ever self photo studio in May Kawayan, Bulacan. Kita nyo naman 'di ba, sumugod na agad kami at nagmamadali na kami. They are located at 2nd floor, 247 Malhacan Road, May Kawayan, Bulacan, in front of St. Joseph House of Serenity and Pops Compound. And their operating hours is from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Open sila tuwing Monday to Saturday. Open din sila for walk-in and same-day booking ha. For as low as 249 pesos, may experience mo na ang na-experience namin. Promise, hindi ka magsisisi. Aesthetic and minimalist lang studio vibes nila. Tambay daw kasi ng homebodies yung owners. And they have 4 colors of background na sobrang aesthetic and sobrang ganda. Super cozy din ang studio. Perfect ito for friends, family, soloists, pero syempre mas masaya pag may kakapol. Thank you love for supporting me. Sobrang mabait pa ng mag-a-assist sa'yo kasi mismong owner ang mag-a-assist sa'yo. Gold yarn. Kasi they make you feel super duper comfortable. Kaya kayo, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na kayo dito sa Primax Self Photo Studio. And I promise na hindi kayo magsisisi. Tag your jowa and your kaibigan and your family and let's go!